Welcome to La Aldea Fernandina 2, blending elegance and innovation. La Aldea Fernandina 2 is a 12-hectare residential development with an exclusive offering of classic and premium homes. Discover the perfect harmony of Japandi design and creative space at La Aldea Fernandina 2 UniHomes. Imagine stepping into your new home, where the increased floor area provides ample room for comfort and creativity. Our community is strategically situated in Barangay del Carmen, City of San Fernando, within 2 kilometers from the city's major establishments, modern comforts, and the San Fernando NLEX exit, making it exceptionally convenient for homeowners. Spend your forever in a new home that is perfect for you and your loved ones.
Hurry up now. Some decisions move you forward. The right home does exactly that. Hurry up now.